Appreciate your support. I'm back with a new LG washing machine, washer dryer, 10.57 kg dryer. So it's the machine is vibrating, it's making a lot of noise when spinning. So what happened is these guys dropped the machine here and disappeared. So they didn't remove the transit bolts. So we have to remove the 4 transit bolts and then we adjust this. So this is how to install a washing machine. You get a number 13 and then a pliers to pull this out. So we'll open this. So you have to seal this. Dust doesn't get in there, and also rodents. You know, the good thing is that with the LG, it's sealed underneath, completely sealed. So if you leave this open and you have stubborn rodents, they get in there and then they mess the machine. So we have to seal this. Like that. Like that. So this fits here. There's a hole where this will fit like that. That. So this is the drain pipe, it will come here. If it's too short, we'll have to adjust it. We'll have to increase. We'll join another pipe here.